Hello and welcome to Foodie Corner. Today's recipe is Gobi Matar Masala. Gobi Matar Masala is a main course preparation with cauliflower and green peas. To make this recipe we would require 400 grams of gobi, that is cauliflower, 1 cup of matar, that is peas, 2 medium-sized onion chopped, 3 ripe tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns crushed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon butter and salt to taste. We will first saute the gobi and the peas in butter. For this we have taken some butter in a pan. To the butter we will add the gobi and the matar. Add some salt. And let's saute it for 2 minutes. We will add some more butter. We have sauteed these vegetables for 2 minutes on high flame. Now let's add the crushed peppercorns. Again on high flame we will stir it for around 2 more minutes. The gobi and matar looks done. Now let's transfer this into a bowl. Now we will start to prepare the gravy. For this we will pour some oil. And we have taken the same pan which we had used to saute the vegetables. Now into this we will add the chopped onion. Let's add the ginger garlic paste. And we will fry this in medium heat till the onions turn golden brown. The onions have turned slightly brown now. We will add the tomatoes. Add salt. Let the tomatoes cook now on medium heat for 5 minutes. We will close the lid so that the tomatoes cook faster. Now let's leave this for 5 minutes. Do stir the tomatoes in between. And then continue cooking. The tomatoes have become soft. Now let's add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and let's mix all the masalas. Add some water to this and again stir it and let the tomatoes and the masalas cook nicely. Stir this continuously for some time. Now we will add the garam masala powder and the cumin powder. Mix it nicely. We'll add some more water to this, just a little water. To this gravy, now let's add the matar and gobi. Mix the gravy nicely with the gobi and matar, and we will allow this to cook for 5 minutes. The gobi and matar has coated up with the masalas. Gobi matar masala is now ready. Let's now transfer this into a serving bowl. We will garnish this with coriander leaves. Gobi matar masala is ready to be served. Butter and pepper coated gobi and matar cooked in a spicy gravy will go very well with rotis and naans. Do try it out.